Hi, I'm Scott, and today we're going to renovate this bathroom on Dad It Yourself. Alright, here's the project for today. We have done some reno in this bathroom already. We painted the walls this light blue. I put a new light fixture in here. We still have to paint the ceiling and then do some trim. But the project for today is pretty much a new vanity and a new floor. We're going to move this toilet out. I'm going to rip this vanity out. We're going to assemble a new vanity and put the toilet back, or put a floor in, and then do that. So that's the project for today. Hopefully we can do it in one day. So the vanity and the toilet are out. I do want to thank the guy who put this toilet flange in for putting it in sideways. He used these as where the toilet bolt goes instead of the slide bolts, and I can't flip that around, so I'm stuck with figuring that one out. We're putting a click flooring. We're actually going to match this one right here. It is waterproof Pergo. But I think I'm going to pull up this, or at least attempt to pull up this linoleum or this vinyl, because I get a seam. Right here, there's a step. And I got to figure out what that is before I put down the floating floor. So let's tear this floor out. So if you guys think this is sticky, you would be right. So I cannot put a floating floor on this because it won't be able to float. It'll just stick to this. That little bump I found right here is actually, this board is just a little loose. There's no support underneath it. So what Trevor and I have decided after consultation is I'm going to skin this floor with Luan. One, it'll isolate this adhesive barrier, and it'll bridge. I'm going to make sure I bridge that gap right there and give the floor a little strength before we put the new flooring down. So we've got to head to Home Depot to pick up some materials, and we'll be back. Got all the underlayment down. Ignore that. And we're getting ready to put the flooring in. It's nice and solid now. I bridged that gap over here. I've nailed this all down and stapled it with crown staples, and it's nice and solid now and smooth. So we're going to start putting that floor in. We're coming up on about halfway done, and it's really nice because this room is only the length of really 2 full planks. So I'm just kind of doing my random cut at this end, putting a full plank in, and then whatever's left, I have to cut off about a 4-inch section at this end from that first cut. And I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. We're about a box in right now, so we're going to probably use 2 boxes and a couple of planks from the other box. And then depending on where we're at when we get to this point is going to dictate whether I put flooring all the way to the wall or if we're just going to put the vanity on top of that spot. Well, this is where we're at. I cleaned that up a little bit. We ended up having to get a closet flange extension. Now my slots are in the right places. The flooring between the underlayment and then the actual engineered flooring made it a little bit too thick, and I was worried we wouldn't get a good seal on the bottom of the toilet. And then I already threw in this piece of baseboard right here because we all know how hard it is to put baseboard in behind a toilet. So that's all done. And then here we are here, and Trevor and I have already broken out the vanity, and we're probably going to assemble the vanity, see what's going on here, and then fix the flooring accordingly, and then probably just put some pieces along the back so it's level. As you can see, the toe kick already touches the floor right here on this piece. So that's where we're at. Last status update of the night. As you can see, we got the toilet in. It actually works. And Trevor and I got the vanity built, and it's in. This thing was a huge pain in the butt because, again, if you watch any of my other videos, you know I don't know where the water shutoff is for this house. So we had to go over the pipes here, and then the drain comes out the side. So I had to cut the drain right there, and tomorrow I will glue in new pipe and get all new tubular plumbing for under the sink over here. Hey, day 2 back here at the bathroom renovation. We worked for about 6 hours yesterday and just ran out of time. No big deal. Just got to get a couple of things done today. As you can see, they're already using this bathroom, which, because it's right here by the bedroom, it's convenient for them. Inconvenient for me because their stuff's everywhere now. My purpose today is I'm going to finish all the baseboard moldings, get this vanity completely plumbed up and ready to go, clean up some of the trim here and there, and we'll call it a day. So after the obligatory multiple trips to Home Depot, I have plumbing, running water, and a drain that works. I'm hoping this drain pipe doesn't interfere with that drawer. Speaking of drawers, let's get these put together. Hey, that was not fun. I will give this a solid C minus. Big gap here, can't seem to solve. Drawers are kind of crooked and wonky. I did have to make this one shorter to fit that pipe, but for some reason the alignment's off right through here, so these drawers are really hard to open. Well, mostly this one. I may be able to get in there and fix that a different way, but these work okay. And everything came out really good. So, on to baseboards. So I've got about 10 hours into this bathroom, a couple $100, $200 for the vanity, and another $200 in random supplies. Came out nice. Everything's ready for the people who like to paint to come in here and really finish it up. Go. So if I've done anything in this video that you found helpful, or any of my other videos for that matter, consider giving me a super thanks, becoming a channel member, or following me on Patreon. I'd love to hear in the comments what you think you'd do to make this bathroom to the next level. Speaking of comments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you do, hit the bell for notifications. I've got some videos over here you may be interested in. Subscribe button's right down here. Thanks for watching. Doubt it yourself.